बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय। जय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय। जय राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। जय राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। जय वृंदा देवी जय वृंदा देवी वृंदा देवी जय वृंदा देवी। हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। साई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। जय गुरु परंपरा जय गुरु परंपरा गुरु परंपरा जय गुरु परंपरा। हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। संकीर्तन महायज्ञ की जय। श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत की जय। कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की जय। श्री अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्री चैतन्यर लीला होए इक्षु दंड समो चरण करिते होए रसो आस्वादन। अपूर्व माधुरी कृष्णेर अपूर्व तारो बोलो जहार श्रवणे मन हये तलमल। कृष्णेर माधुर्य कृष्णे उपजय लोभ सम्यक आस्वादिते नारे मने रहे शोभ। Lord Krishna's own beauty makes Krishna greedy, attracts Krishna towards himself. But because he cannot fully, samyak means completely. Krishna cannot relish his own madhurya, his sweetness completely. That is why Krishna's mind is rahe shobh. Shobh means Krishna is feeling incomplete. Krishna is feeling sad, some anxiety that he is not able to understand his own madhurya. So, because of this greed, एक स्थाने आचे लोभ, आर स्थाने आचे शोभ. कृष्णदास कविराज महाकवि आचे. That he is having greed, at the same time he is sad. Krishna, he has greed to understand Radha, but because he cannot understand, he is sad. Shobha also can mean repentance. There are different meanings to shobh. So, eitadvitiya hetura kahila vivron tritiya hetura ache suno lakshan. So this is the second desire of innermost desire of Lord Krishna. The first desire was what is the glories of Radharani's love? Second desire was, how does Radha relish my madhurima, my sweetness? I want to know. And the third desire is this. Atyanta niguda ei rasera siddhant Swarup Gosai matra jane na ekant. The third internal purpose of Krishna's coming as Gaur Sundar is very, very confidential. It's very, very confidential because only Swarup Damodar Goswami, who used to spend time alone with Gaur Hari in Gambhira, only Swarup Damodar knows it. Nobody else knows. গম্ভীরাতে স্বরূপ দামোদর একান্তে মহাপ্রভুর সেবা করে, এই কারণে স্বরূপ দামোদরই জানে। এই তিসরা কারণ, অন্তরঙ্গ কারণ মহাপ্রভুর। যে বা কেহ অন্য জানে, সেহ তাহা হইতে চৈতন্য গোসাইর তেন অত্যন্ত মর্ম যাতে। Anyone else who claims to know about this internal purpose of Gauranga Mahaprabhu has to know it from Swarup Damodar Goswami only. He is the only way to approach, to know this. Nobody else knows it because he was the Atyanta Marma. Marma has again no meaning in English. Marma means Chaitanya Gosai Rateno Atyanta Marma Jate. He knew the heart of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. He understood. So that is why if you want to approach Radha and Krishna, we have to approach Radha and Krishna via Lalita and Vishakha. Lalita and Vishakha are the only means to attain Radha Krishna. Because they are the... Lalita is the counselor of Radharani. Vishakha is the constant companion. ললিতা আর বিশাখারও মাধ্যমে রাধা কৃষ্ণেরও নিকটে যাইবে, আর কিচ্ছু উপায় নাই। ললিতা আর বিশাখা এই দুই সখীগণ এই গৌর লীলাতে আসিবে রামানন্দ রায় আর স্বরূপ দামোদর রূপে। They came in the form of Swarup Damodar Ramananda Rai, and they are the only way to approach the internal mood of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, just like Lalita and Vishakha are the only way to approach the internal assembly of Radharani. Whatever is being described in Chaitanya Charitamrita is actually in the heart of Swarup Damodar Goswami. It's only manifesting here. Gopi Ganero Premer Ruddha Bhavanam Vishuddha Nirmala Prem Kabhu nahi kaam. Just meditate on the pure love of the gopis, because the pure love of the gopis is completely pure. And Vishuddha and Nirmala, these both words are like spotless, you can say. Nirmala means spotless. Gopi's prem is completely pure, transparent. And the name of that love is Ruddha Prem. Adiruddha Prem. Adhiruddha and Adiruddha. Both are Ruddha. Ruddha Prem. That is the name of the love of the gopis. Premaiva goparamana ramanam kama iti agamat pratham iti uddhavadyopiyetam vanchanti bhagavat priyaha. Beautiful words from Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu 1.2.285-286. The pure love of the gopis has become celebrated by the name lust, Kam, not exactly lust, Kam. The dear devotees of the Lord, headed by Sri Uddhava, desire to taste that love. So Uddhava came to Braj, and then he saw the love, the Ruddha love of the gopis. He understood that his love is nothing. Outside of Braj, Uddhava is the highest devotee of Krishna. But when he came to Braj, he was ashamed of his love. Brajero bahire Uddhav param bhakta, Krishnero param bhakta. Kintu Uddhav Brajete asibe Uddhav sharam asibe. Uddhav kaibe hi, amaro prem kichu nai. Gopi ganero age ami kichu nai. He saw the divine dealings. He saw Nanda Yashoda crying. Tears were flowing. He met Radhika. He had never seen something like this before. Radha's prem. And out of the whole Braj Bhumi, Uddhava understood that Giriraj Govardhan is the highest. Govardhan is the highest of all places. Uddhava bujile Giriraj Govardhane je vas koribe ei to Radhar priya hoi jabe. So Uddhav came to Giriraj Govardhan. And he prayed. On one side Narada is praying, on other side Uddhava is praying. You see, in Giriraj Govardhan, Ashtavakra Muni also prayed in Kusum Sarovar. So, right from Mansi Ganga to Radhakund, this place is the most powerful place of Giriraj. Because this is the whole face of Giriraj. Like in Jagannath Puri Dham, the place from the temple of Jagannath up to the ocean, this is the most powerful place because Gaur Sundar did all his leelas there. ये मानसी गंगा ते राधा कुंड पर्यंत जे स्थान আছে ये गिरिराजेरो मुख्य स्थान, मुख्य लीला स्थान. So Uddhav এইদিকে বাস করে. Uddhava meditated and he became a creeper, Gulmalata, in the Kadamba tree. Just Uddhava was there some years back now that Kalpalata, that Gulmalata has disappeared. It was Kadamba tree near Uddhav Kund, and Uddhav was like. So Uddhava's Sakya Bhav and Uddhava's Dasya Bhav in Dwarka, he left that to have Shanta Bhav in Vraj. He was satisfied with Shanta Bhav. Uddhava Dwarkate Das ache, Sakha ache, kintu Brajete Shanta Bhave rahive. Gulmalata rupe rahive. Because he knew that even the Shanta Bhav in Vraj is higher than the Sakya Bhav in Dwarka. That is the glories of Braj Bhumi. But Gauranga Mahaprabhu became very merciful on Uddhav. In Gaur Leela, Uddhav appeared as Paramananda Puri. Uddhaver avatar Kalyuge hobe Paramananda Puri rupe. Nilachale. In Jagannath Puri, the Lord gave lot of affection to Paramanand Puri, as Paramananda Puri was one of the 9 sannyasi disciples of Ishwar Puri. So always the Lord gave him a higher seat. And by this mercy of Gauranga, Paramananda Puri became a Sakha in Vrajabhumi. It's a very leela that Gaur Sundar can even change the Swarup. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, he writes in the commentary to Chaitanya Chandramrit that Uddhav became in Shanta Bhav in Braj, but Gauranga Mahaprabhu raised him in Sakhya Bhav. Uddhav Shanta Bhave Braje Rahibe, Kintu Gaur Sundar Uddhavera আর উঁচা পদ দিবে তারও ব্রজেতে সখা বানাই দিবে যে সময়ে পরমানন্দ পুরী রূপে আছে প্রিয় সখা। So we should always desire not only for one Swarup, we should always desire for 2 Swarup. According to Jaiva Dharma, with one Swarup we should go into Krishna Leela, Krishna Peeth, and with other Swarup we have to enter into Gaur Leela. We are Gaudiyas, we want 2 bodies, not 1 body. Spiritual body. Jaiva Dharma te kohibe આત્મારો સિદ્ધ અવસ્થાએ 2 સ્વરૂપ ધારણ કરે ગૌડિયા ગૌણ એક સ્વરૂપે કૃષ્ણ પીઠે જાવે એક સ્વરૂપે ગૌર પીઠે જાવે એક સ્વરૂપ નહીં 2 સ્વરૂપ દરકાર આત્મારો ગૌર લીલાતે સંકીર્તન કરે আর কৃষ্ণ লীলাতে রাস করে কৃষ্ণ লীলা you do ras leela gaur leela you do sankirtan. जय जय रास मंडल जय राधा श्याम जय जय रास मंडल जय राधा श्याम जय जय रास लीला सर्व मनोरम जय जय रास लीला सर्व मनोरम जय रास मंडल जय जय राधा श्याम जय रास मंडल जय जय राधा श्याम जय जय रास लीला सर्व मनोरम जय जय रास लीला सर्व मनोरम जय रास राधा श्याम जय 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 रास लीला सर्व मनोरम जय So even Bhagavat Priya, all the most dear devotees of Krishna are attracted to the love of the gopis because the gopis' love is the highest. সকল মহাভাগবত গণ গোপীর প্রেমেতে আকর্ষণ হবে তার কারণ গোপীর প্রেম সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ আছে. This is my favorite verse, one of the verses. কাম প্রেম দোনার विभिन्न लक्षण लहुआ रहे स्वरूपे विलक्षण lust and love, they are completely different. Kam or prem, donakaro vibhino lakshan. They both have different characteristics, qualities. Kam, lust is like iron, and love is like gold. There's a difference between iron and gold. There's the same difference between lust and love. Lahu or hem. Lahu, lower. If you put it into fire, it will become charcoal. It will burn. Because it is selfish. काम আছে স্বার্থ স্বার্থ যেই জন স্বার্থী এই কাম করে you scratch my back and I scratch your back, and then when there is no more sense gratification in that relationship, then they leave each other. Calm. When there is test, when it is put into fire, then it shows its real form of, it burns out. It is just simply selfishness that you satisfy my senses and I will satisfy your senses. That is the meaning of calm. It's basically rooted in our ego. We are only wanting, basically we are interested in our own sensual desires. But prem is totally opposite, 360 degrees, 180 degrees opposite. Prem is totally selfless. প্রেমের মধ্যে স্বার্থ নাই, কামের মধ্যে স্বার্থ আছে। যে পর্যন্ত তুমি আমার সন্তুষ্ট করিবে, আমি তোমার সন্তুষ্ট করিবে, ভালো, ঠিক আছে। নাই করিবে তো এক তামাচা মার। কাম। So, but প্রেম নিঃস্বার্থ, নির্মল, শুদ্ধ।
নিষ্কাম প্রেম প্রেমময়ী প্রেম প্রেমময়ী।
Lahu or him, tara swarup vilakshan. There is tremendous, vilakshan means tremendous difference between iron and gold. When the gold is put into fire, then the gold becomes even more shining, effulgent, even more beautiful. When the pure devotees like the gopis, they are giving separation from Krishna, then in that separation their love increases even more. Dhak-dhaki, their love blazes, their love increases. That is why Krishna leaves the rasa dance, just to show how great the love of the gopis. Some gopi becomes Bakasur, some gopi becomes Putna, some gopi becomes Aghasur. They go into so deep remembrance of Krishna that they forget. Even they experience a higher form of Krishna consciousness than even during the union. In the separation, they are asking the tulsi, they are asking the leaves, the trees, where is Krishna? Where is our Krishna? ভগবানের বিরহে, রাস মণ্ডলী ভগবানের বিরহে গোপীগণে পাগল উন্মাদিত হয়ে যাবে। প্রেমেরও সুবর্ণ রূপ, সুবর্ণেরও জ্বালাতে অগ্নিতে করিবে তো এই সমান সুবর্ণ আর প্রজ্বলিত হয়ে যাবে। এই সমান গোপীগণের বিয়োগ। So a test of a devotee is that how does the devotee react when suffering comes in our life. When everything is nice, it is nice. No, I'll do bhakti, everything is nice. But when suffering comes, How do you react? Do you blame Krishna for that? Krishna, why? I am your such a nice devotee. Why am I getting suffering? Even the pure devotees get suffering. The Pandavas, apparent suffering. The Pandavas were sent to the forest for so many years. সুখ আর দুঃখ দোনার মধ্যে প্রেম বাড়িবে, কিন্তু কামের পরীক্ষাতে নিষ্ফল হয়ে যাবে, প্রেম বাড়িবে। প্রেম is like pure gold, molten gold. आत्मेन्द्रिय प्रीतिवांछा तार बोली काम, कृष्णेन्द्रिय प्रीति इच्छा धरे प्रेम नाम। आत्मेन्द्रिय प्रीति इच्छा तार बोले काम, आत्मेन्द्रिय प्रीति इच्छा तार बोले काम, कृष्णेन्द्रिय प्रीति इच्छा धरे प्रेम नाम, कृष्णेन्द्रिय प्रीति इच्छा धरे प्रेम नाम। काम प्रेम दोना कारो विभिन्न लक्षण, लहुआर हेम तार स्वरूप विलक्षण। हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। निताई गौर हरि बोल बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। There is no tinge of lust in the love of the gopis. The gopis did not come to the Ras Mandal to enjoy themselves. When Krishna called them with the flute, the gopis just came for the purpose of giving enjoyment to Krishna. That is their only goal in life, selfless love. They even curse their ecstasy, they even curse their tears if they are not able to serve Krishna. গোপীগণের রাস মণ্ডলীতে আসিবে, নিজের স্বার্থ কিছু নাই, কৃষ্ণের আনন্দ দিবে, এই কারণে আসে গোপীগণ। আপনারা কিচ্ছু স্বার্থ নাই। That is why when Krishna was telling the gopis, you go back, you will lose all your chastity. There are many animals in this forest. You go back. So gopis looked down on the ground and scratching the braj with their nails, toenails. They felt very humble, very sad. They said, "Oh Krishna, are we not qualified to serve you by dancing with you? We came here to dance with you, to serve you, to give you happiness. আমি রাস মণ্ডলে আসিবে আপনারও সেবা কাজে, আপনারও সঙ্গে নৃত্য করিবে, এই তো আমার প্রয়োজন, কিন্তু আপনি কইবে আমি পাছে যাবে, এই কি ন্যায়? You attract us to your divine service by playing your flute. যে কাম আছে তার মধ্যে কৃষ্ণ সেবা সুখ এই মুখ্য আছে। কৃষ্ণ সেবা সুখ to give happiness to the senses of Krishna. Krishnero sakala indriyore anand milibe, to give enjoyment to every sense, divine senses of Krishna. To fan Krishna, to garland Krishna, to serve Krishna's lotus feet, to dress Krishna, to feed Krishna, to dance with Krishna, because Krishna gets happiness. To spend alone, nirjan, to spend time alone with Krishna, to entertain Krishna. The more you make Krishna happy, the more the gopis are becoming happy. The more you make, we also become happy because we are Krishna's particles, parts. Krishnaro joto anand dibe, toto anand jivatmaro milibe. এই তো আনন্দের রহস্য। আনন্দের কি রহস্য? স্বত আনন্দ চেষ্টা করিবে না, কৃষ্ণেরও আনন্দ। নিজ আনন্দেরও আমি চেষ্টা ছাড়িয়া কৃষ্ণেরও ইন্দ্রিয়েরও আনন্দ দিয়া। যত কৃষ্ণ সুখী হবে তত আত্মা সুখী হবে। At every moment you should think, what should I do to make Krishna happy? And the most simple and the most beautiful way to make Krishna happy is Nama Sankirtan. Nama Sankirtan ei Krishnero sukh dibaro param upay. Tara aage tara piche kichu upay nahi. नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे प्रेम धन। नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे प्रेम धन। नाम नाचे नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे प्रेम धन। तार सहित नाचे सर्व भक्तगण। नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे प्रेम धन। नाम नाचे परम उपाय बोलो नाम संकीर्तन। बोलो नाम संकीर्तन। सर्वेंद्रिय स्फूर्ति होए आनंद नर्तन। सर्वेंद्रिय स्फूर्ति होए आनंद नर्तन। परम उपाय बोलो नाम संकीर्तन। नाम संकीर्तन 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 परम उपाय बोलो नाम संकीर्तन। हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम जय जय। That action we do without expectation of any fruits. That is Nishkam Karma. And that action which we accept the fruit is sakam karma. So prem, kam is sakam and prem is nishkam. There is no expectation. Ashlishya va padaratam pinastuma adarshanam maramahatam karotu va yatha tatha va vidhatu lampato mad prananathastu saeva naparah. Oh Krishna, more than you need me, I need to make you happy. I need to serve you because it is in my own interest. हे कृष्ण तुम्ही की प्रकारे व्यवहार करो आमार संगे आमार किच्छु कंप्लेन नहीं. तुम्ही आमार प्राणनाथ. When Krishna comes late to the Kunja, Radharani is not complaining or Radharani is not upset because of that. She wants to serve Krishna. But because she knows that her going into Man make Krishna happy, more happy, that's why she goes into Man. Not because of selfishness. You have to understand Radha and Krishna's Leela is very confidential. The real purpose of her Man is to make Krishna happy, more happy. Radhika jai mane jabe Krishner প্রতীক্ষা করে কুঞ্জে আর মানে যাবে সে সময় রাধার একই ইচ্ছা আছে কৃষ্ণের আনন্দ বাড়াইবে রাধার মানেতে কৃষ্ণের আনন্দ বাড়িবে রাধা স্বার্থী নাই রাধার প্রেম স্বার্থ নাই রাধার প্রেমেতে ঈর্ষা নাই রাধার প্রেমেতে মাৎসর্য নাই রাধার প্রেমেতে একই ইচ্ছা কৃষ্ণের আনন্দ বাড়াইবে. So Lalita is actually instructing Radha how to become Viparit. But that all these things, all these leelas are just simply so that to increase the ecstasy of Krishna, to make Krishna hanker for Radha's love. Something which is given very easily. So, by telling no to Krishna, Krishna hankers more, Krishna relishes more. So, Kamera Tatparya Sambhoga Keval Krishna Sukha Tatparya Matra. कामेर तात्पर्य निज संभोग केवल. The goal of काम or lust is to enjoy together only. Both mutual enjoyment. In काम there is mutual enjoyment. But in prem there it's only one-sided. Of course, the ashray also enjoys when they give happiness to the Vishay, but still they don't expect that. In prem, the gopis don't expect the happiness. Mukund, phone karibi. Amar pankha darkar. Already cold season has started. Bhagwan eri khub thanda ho jaya. So, that expectation of love, expectation of any happiness is not there. तुम्ही आमार आलिंगन करो किंवा तुम्ही आश्लिष शिवा पादरतम पिनस्तुमाम आमार चरणेते आपनार ऊपरते चले जाबे चलिबे किंतु आमी आपनार सेवक. Whether you embrace me, Krishna, or you crush me, or even you neglect me, neglecting the beloved is a very big, very sad. The biggest way to, is to neglect somebody. One can chastise somebody. One can correct somebody, but that you will correct only if you consider them as their own, as our own. You will not correct somebody on the street. So even the chastisement, Bharsana is a part of love, of caring. But neglecting somebody, it's very sad. কোনারা আপনি ভর্ৎসনা করিবে তাড়িবে তাড়ন করিবে কোনার তো এই আপনারও প্রিয়জন এই কারণে তানরও আপনি তাড়ন করিবে কিন্তু উপেক্ষা করিবে আগার আপনারও জনের আপনি উপেক্ষা করিবে তার খুব দুঃখ হবে উপেক্ষা So Krishna, the Radharani is saying here in the 8th verse of Shikshashtakam that adarshana marmahatam karotu va yatha tatha va vidhatu lampato. I don't care. I mean, even if you come to me or not, if you are a debauchee, you will go to other gopis. Let you enjoy with the other gopis. Still, you are my Prannath. Because I am not loving you because of you giving me enjoyment. My love for you is selfless. If you don't come to my kunja, I will experience all the Madanakya Mahabhav, and in that way I will give you happiness. You see, Radharani, even in separation, she is giving happiness to Krishna. I will relish, I will go into separation. যদি আপনি আমার কুঞ্জেতে আসিবে না আমার দর্শন দিবে না আমার উপেক্ষা করিবে অন্য গোপীর সঙ্গে যাইবে তথাপি আমি আপনার বিয়োগে আপনার আনন্দ দিবে আপনার বিয়োগে আপনার প্রতীক্ষা করিবে এই তো প্রেমের স্বরূপ নিঃস্বার্থ প্রেম উইদাউট এনি মোটিভ Krishna left the gopis for 100 years. But the gopis did not take another lover. They did not leave Krishna. They thought about Krishna all the time. For all this time. Because their love was not selfish. And they are praying, Oh Krishna, you are Jagannath. This Jagannath, the name of Jagannath is very Rasika name, very Madhurya name. The meaning of Jagannath, you know? What is the meaning? জগন্নাথের নামের কি অর্থ এই খুব রসিক নাম আছে জগন্নাথ এই জগতের নাথের অর্থ রসিক নাই কিন্তু আর এক গূঢ় অর্থ আছে জগন্নাথ The meaning of the word Jagannath is gopis in Kurukshetra. When they met Krishna, they are very humbly complaining to Krishna. Jagannath, you are the Lord of the whole universe, but we are part of your creation and you forgot us. You are Jagannath, but you give us pain. You are the maintainer of all the jivas, all the souls, everybody, but still you give us pain. You are not coming back to Vraj. কৃষ্ণের কইবে আপনি জগন্নাথ আপনি জগতের সর্ব জীবের নাথ কিন্তু আমারও ভুলে গেলা আপনারও জগতে আমি এক মানুষ আছি গোপী কইবে আমার কি কারণ ভুলি গে You cannot be Jagannath unless you remember us because we are part of your jag. So the name of Jagannath is a kind of complaint. The complaint of the gopis are making to Krishna. Krishna, you have forgotten us. We are reminding Krishna by saying Jagannath. And that is the bhav in which Gaur Sundar used to chant the name of Jagannath in Puri. In the Rath Yatra, when Gauranga Mahaprabhu used to chant the name of Jagannath, his teeth were trembling. It's like, he could not even pronounce the name of Jagannath fully. Jaga Gaj Jaga 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 Gaj Gaj. Ja 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 go go go. So he was like trembling with ecstasy, pronouncing the name of Jagannath. He could not even pronounce the full name, experiencing that tremendous ecstasy for Krishna. We cannot imitate that. It's only possible in the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Ai Deen Dayadranath. मथुरानाथ कदाव्यलोकसे हृदयम् अतिकातरम्. Radharani chanted this verse in front of Krishna in Kurukshetra, and Gauranga Mahaprabhu chanted this verse in front of Jagannath, reminding him that he is not only Dwarkanath, but he is also Mathuranath. You have gone to Dwarka and you have become surrounded by 16,000 wives. Have you forgotten us, Krishna? Have you forgotten what Leela we had? Hey Krishna, tumi Dwarkanath nahi, Dwarkanather songe songe Mathuranath. Tumi amar bhuli gela. Amar songe je Leela koribe সকল কিছু আপনার স্মরণ আছে? আপনি তো দ্বারকার মহিষীর সঙ্গে 16,000 মহিষীর সঙ্গে লীলা করে আমার কি হবে? What will happen to us? You forgot us. That is the Mahabhav which appeared in Radha's form in Kurukshetra. That is the highest. You can imagine all the ecstasies of Radhika in Vrajabhumi. They are very, very high. But the highest ecstasy Radha experienced in Kurukshetra. That's why our Ishta Guru, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he writes in one place, in his bhav, in his mood he writes, I want to stay in Kurukshetra. Because in Kurukshetra, Radha needs my seva. I am Kamala Manjari. I need to help Radha when Radha is unhappy. রাধার যে কুরুক্ষেত্রতে ভাব আছে তার আস্বাদন মহাপ্রভু রথযাত্রার আগে করিবে, রথের আগে। এই কারণ যে কি রথযাত্রার যে ভাব এই রাধার পরাকাষ্ঠা, ভাবের পরাকাষ্ঠা, কুরুক্ষেত্রের যে ভাব। এই কারণে ভক্তিবিনোদ ঠাকুর কইবে আমারও কুরুক্ষেত্রতে বাস দরকার, আমি কুরুক্ষেত্রে রহিবে আর রাধার ভাবেতে, রাধার দুঃখেতে তারও সান্ত্বনা দিবে। I will console Radha as Radha's Palyadasi. I will serve Radha, I will fan Radha. Radha's body will become very hot in separation from Krishna. I will serve her where she wants me. যেই দিকে রাধা যাবে সেই দিকে আমি যাবে। রাধার দুঃখে আমি দুঃখেতে মরি, রাধা কৃষ্ণ মিলনে আমি
রাধা কৃষ্ণ মিলনে আমি
সুখ মানি।
নিজ দুঃখ মানি রাধার সুখেতে নিজ সুখ
The Manjaris are so sensitive to the feelings of Radha, because they are the leaves, they are the twigs of Radha's creeper, of Radha. Whatever Radha feels, they are feeling. In fact, they are even feeling in a magnified way, because they are the dasis of Radha. And when Radha is experiencing this, Manjaris are. That's why this Manjari bhav was not given by anybody before. Anarpita charim chirat karunaya avatirna kalau samarpayitum no jvalarasam svabhakti shriyam
भक्ति श्रियम
Hari purata sundara
सुंदर दुति
Kadamba sandipita Sada hridaya kandare suratu sachinan. Even Krishna will give Sakhi bhav, but Manjari bhav is very confidential. How can we know Manjaris are very dear to Krishna? Because when they came in Gaur Leela, they became very dear to Mahaprabhu. Rupa Goswami became so dear to Mahaprabhu. So from that we can know how much the Manjari is dear to Krishna. গৌর লীলাতে রূপ গোস্বামী ভগবানের অতিশয় প্রিয় হয়ে যাবে। দশাশ্বমেধ ঘাটেতে তার উপদেশ দিবে, ভক্তি রস গ্রন্থ করিবার আজ্ঞা দিবে। এইতে আপনি বুঝিবে কি কৃষ্ণ লীলাতে রূপ মঞ্জরি কত প্রিয় কৃষ্ণের। Very, very dear. But the surprising thing is these Manjaris only come when Avatari comes. They are very, very secret. Before Mahaprabhu came, you will not find any mention of any Manjaris coming. Maybe rarely, very, very rarely. Because only when Radha comes, the Manjaris will come. The Manjaris' only goal, only purpose is to serve Radha. যে সময়ে রাধা আসিবে মঞ্জরীগণ আসিবে। So if we want to, this is like we are like a dwarf and we are trying to touch the sun. We are still in Anartha Nivrutti stage and we are aspiring for Manjari stage. But we should understand this. We should know about it. This secret was kept hidden. Anarpita charim chirat. For a very, very, very long time. 8.64 billion years. Anarpita charim. 864 কোটি বৎসর কৃষ্ণ এই রহস্যের লুকাইতে রাখিবে। আর 864 কোটি বৎসরের পশ্চাৎ কৃষ্ণ গৌর সুন্দরের রূপে আসে। ব্রহ্মার এক দিনেতে গৌর এক টাইম আসিবে, কৃষ্ণ এক টাইম আসিবে। But even more important than Krishna is Gaur Sundar's coming, because Gaur Sundar came to give it to us. Krishna came to relish And Gaur Sundar came to give. কৃষ্ণ আস্বাদন করিতে লীলা করিবে আর গৌর সুন্দর বিতরণ করিবে। তো বদ্ধ জীবের গৌর সুন্দরের অবতার আর মুখ্য প্রয়োজন তার উপাসনা। Prabhupada Saraswati writes in Chaitanya Chandramrit, what did Matsya avatar do for me? It saved the Vedas. What did Ram avatar do for me? It killed Ravana and he took all the Ayodhya Vasis back to Ayodhya, spiritual world. What did Nrsimha avatar do for me? Give happiness to Prahlad, killed Hiranyakashipu. But for me, my Gaur Sundar has come. He came only for me to give me prem. जे लागी कलियुगे प्रभुर अवतार সেই লোক প্রভুর না চিনিতে পার। Gauranga Mahaprabhu came for us to distribute the prem to all the souls of Kali Yuga. But we souls are so unfortunate. We don't know him. Nobody reads Chaitanya Charitamrita. I have seen many devotees. They are only absorbed in Srimad Bhagavatam, reading scriptures. Nobody tries to understand Gaur Sundar. Very few devotees. But the Lord has come for us. We should try. Jagannath Das Babaji said that. He said, if you are born in, he didn't say like that, I'll give you example what he said. If you are living in India, you should approach the Prime Minister of India first. You can't approach the Prime Minister of Germany. Similarly, if you are born in Kali Yuga, first you should do bhajan of Avatari in Kali Yuga. He came in Kali Yuga. Then you can approach Krishna, who came in Dwapar Yuga. And because he is Krishna himself, he is not an Ansha avatar. He is not a partial incarnation. He is Purna Avatari. So, one should understand him. গৌরাঙ্গের নাম লয়ে তার হয়ে প্রেমোদয়ে, গৌরাঙ্গের নাম লয়ে তার হয়ে প্রেমোদয়ে, গৌরাঙ্গের নাম লয়ে তার হয়ে প্রেমোদয়ে, রঙ্গের নাম লয়ে তার হয়ে প্রেমোদয়ে, তার মুই
দুটি পদ যার হয়ে সম্পদ গৌরাঙ্গেরও দুটি পদ যার হয়ে সম্পদ সে জানে ভগতি রস সে জানে ভগতি রস সে জানে ভগতি সে জানে ভগতি রস সে জানি ভগতি রস জয় গৌর হরি গৌর হরি গৌর হরি জয় গৌর হরি গৌর 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 হরি গৌর 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 হরি গৌর 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 হরি গৌর 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 হরি গৌর 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 হরি গৌর 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 হরি গৌর 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 হরি
The most easiest way to awaken your Manjari form is the name of Gauranga. This is my own realization. Sorry, I don't have any praman. Of course, the praman I gave is Gaurangera naam loye tara hoye premodoy. Immediately, you awaken pure love. And Narottam Das Thakur, being Champak Manjari, Narottam Das Thakur says, one who gets pure love by chanting Gauranga's name, I will become a slave to that devotee. Tara mui jai boli hari. Jau boli hari. Taro choron ami dhoribe. Jei jon Gaurangera naam loye, taro sharire prem hoy, taro badite ami jhadu koribe. Taro sevak koribe. Taro alingan koribe. Taro choron dhoribe. Taro seva koribe. যেই প্রকারে দরকার সেই প্রকারে করি বলি হারি আমি দুই হাত তুলি তারও চরণে পড়ে যাবে যেই জন গৌরাঙ্গের নাম ভক্তির প্রেমের প্রকাশ হবে so we are reading this tattva of Chaitanya Charitamrita ultimately to come to the conclusion of who is Gaur Sundar, to develop love for Gaur Sundar, to develop love for Gauranga Mahaprabhu. That's why Krishnadas Kaviraj is so elaborately describing the difference between Kam and Prem, Gopi's love. So tomorrow morning we will go further into this spontaneous attachment of the gopis for Krishna. And then you will see that if you hear all this in the right sequence, when this chapter will come to a conclusion, you will feel so much attraction for Gauranga Mahaprabhu. That is the sequence. Anybody who wants to understand has to read this 4th chapter of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Without reading this 4th chapter, nobody can understand Gaur Sundar. যদি চৈতন্য চরিতামৃতের আদি লীলার চতুর্থ অধ্যায়ের শ্রবণ কিংবা পঠন না করিবে না মহাপ্রভুর বুঝিতে পারে না This is the entry into Gaur Sundar's Leela, into his Tattva. So, raising my hands, I tell all the souls, those who are hearing in the video also, please read Chaitanya Charitamrita. Please read Chaitanya Charitamrita. Urdu bahu hana. আমি কইবে সংসারের লোকের চৈতন্য চরিতামৃতের শ্রবণ কর, তার পঠন কর, তাহাতে গৌরের উপজয় লোভ, গৌর প্রাপ্তির লোভ, কৃষ্ণ প্রাপ্তির লোভ প্রকট হবে। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। হরে কৃষ্ণ। Any questions? Yes.
I know you don't like when someone glorifies you, so we restrain
Yes.
myself.
Yes.
But at the same time, Krishna likes even more when his devotees are glorified. That when they glorify, go to him. So we read in regards to this. There is one quote
There's
from Chaitanya Charitamrita, very nice that I find fit for you. And it is said the perfection of the eyes consists in the passion of you. The perfection of the touch in touch your body. The perfection of the tongue in glorifying you, because in this world it is very difficult to find devotees.
Yes.
Like,
Perfection is in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Even a stone like me, when you speak Chaitanya Charitamrita, one gets empowered. Anybody who speaks Chaitanya Charitamrita will get empowered. Anybody who reads it. যেই চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত পড়ে শুনে তারও শরীরেতে শক্তি আসে, ভগবানের শক্তি।
So one request,
Yes.
one question. You speak about the happiness that Radharani gives to Krishna. Verse in Chaitanya Charitamrita is a very beautiful and sweet sequence of verses,
Yes.
beginning with Priti Shayananda Tat Ashrayananda. The happiness of the Ashraya consists in the happiness of the Vishaya. The next verse
Yes.
very beautiful how Radharani expresses this, saying that if the happiness of Krishna consists in my unhappiness, I want to be completely unhappy.
Yes.
And the
Yes.
happiness of Krishna increase if my unhappiness increase.
Yes.
I want that my happiness increase. But at the same moment, because I only see the happiness of Krishna, I don't see my unhappiness.
Yes.
So my request is, please, will you expand with some words this, so in this way we may relish, and by relish, we can give relish for Krishna, to Krishna. And the question is in regards to what you know that to say, that he feels his most ecstasy in Kurukshetra, because he sees in his Manjari form Radharani helpless.
In need, yeah.
Yes, but at the same moment, we know that Radharani, as Krishna, never put one step outside
Yeah,
Vrindavan.
Braj. Yeah.
And the sweetness is complete, most complete. Krishna is complete, most complete, and complete, but in Vrindavan. So the sweetness is completely manifest
Right.
in Vrindavan. And consequent, the more ecstasy is in Vrindavan. So
Yes.
how is it possible so that Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this
Yes.
same reason? So one request.
The first question, I will just quote one verse from Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He says, তোমার সেবায় আছে যত দুঃখ, সেই তো জানিয়ে আমি পরানন্দ সুখ। Bhaktivinoda Thakur says that unhappiness, you talked about how If our unhappiness makes Krishna happy, then the gopis are willing to become unhappy. So that unhappiness, which actually the gopis they suffer to make Krishna happy, that is actually in the absolute sense not unhappiness for the gopis. That is their highest happiness. Whatever trouble we take in the service of Krishna, that trouble is not trouble, it is happiness. Because if I don't have to take any trouble, if I don't have to make any effort, then how will I relish the serving? I mean, how can I experience that? How can I show Krishna that I am sincere? So, by giving me unhappiness in your service, you are giving me a chance to prove that I want you. I can do anything for you. If you make it very easy for me to do bhakti, then how will I show to you that I want you? So, it is actually Parananda Sukha. Even the gopis, when they feel separation from Krishna, they know that their separation is actually pleasing Krishna. They know. Gopi Ganero Viraho Krishnero Prasanna Kore. Rup Goswami ek good rahasya koibe Uddhav Sandeshe. I tell you, since you asked this question, there is one secret meaning. In Uddhav Sandesh, book written by Rup Goswami, he says that after Krishna goes with Akrura on the chariot and he comes in Jamuna, Akrur Ghat, then Krishna Balaram both get down and they take bath in the Yamuna and then they come back to Braj. The Vasudev Krishna and the Vasudev Sankarshana Balaram, they go to Mathura. The Sham Sundar Krishna does not go to Mathura. The Brajinarandan Krishna comes back. But then the question is asked by Rup Goswami, what does Krishna do after coming back? When he comes back to Braj, what does he do? Does anybody know? What he does only one thing. He stays in the bushes of Braj and he watches the Vipralamba of the gopis. He is watching. Sometimes in the night he dances with them, but they don't know that he is there because in the mood of separation, they think it is a dream. Krishna is really gone. So 100 years Krishna is playing this Leela in Vraj. He is just hiding and seeing the bhav. Je samay akrur sange Krishna যমুনাতে স্নান করিবে কৃষ্ণ বলরাম আর শ্যামসুন্দর কৃষ্ণ ব্রজেতে বাহির যাবে না এই কারণে শ্যামসুন্দর কৃষ্ণ পাছে আসিবে আর বাসুদেব কৃষ্ণ যাবে মথুরা কিন্তু ব্রজেন্দ্রনন্দন কৃষ্ণ ব্রজেতে আসিবে আর নিকুঞ্জে লুকাইয়া রাধার বিরহভাব দর্শন করে গোপীর বিরহভাব দর্শন করে নন্দ ভবনে যাবে না লুকাইয়া নন্দ যশোদার বিরহ ভাব দর্শন করে he was saying that so that unhappiness in Krishna's bhakti, Krishna's seva is very even attractive to Krishna wants to experience, wants to see what my devotees are feeling, what the gopis are feeling in my separation. That is why he leaves the Ras Leela dance. So this is not unhappiness, actually it is the greatest happiness. Because their Krishna's remembrance, their smarana attains the highest peak, the climax in separation. In regards to your second question about Kurukshetra, you see, Radha has experienced Vipralamba in Vraj. When Radha and Krishna separate, there is Vipralamba in Vraj, separation. But there is one particular kind of Vipralamba which Radha did not experience in Vraj. And that Vipralamba is that you have Krishna in front of you But that Krishna is different. That Krishna is wearing a king, dress of a king. Instead of carrying the flute, he is having the Sudarshan Chakra in his hand. And instead of the Murli, instead of Morpanka, he is wearing a golden helmet like Dwarkadhish. He is Dwarkadhish. So Radha is having Krishna in front of him. Still Radha cannot enjoy Krishna. This is the mood in Kurukshetra. That is why Mahaprabhu chanted this Vetasi verse before the Rath Yatra. Nobody could understand this verse except Swarup Damodar. Then Rupa Goswami wrote one verse as a meaning to that verse, and he put it in Siddha Bakul. Radha, what is that? Forgot that. तथा हमसा राधा उभयोर संगम सुखम मधुर मुरली पंचम जुषे. Oh Krishna, you are Krishna and I am Radha in Kurukshetra, but we cannot enjoy any Leela. This is a very viparit situation because there is no flute, there is no Jamuna, there is no Govardhan. কুরুক্ষেত্রের যে মিলন আছে এই পরম দুঃখদায়ী, রাধারও পরম দুঃখদায়ী। ইয়ার কারণ এই যে কি কৃষ্ণেরও সমক্ষ আছে কিন্তু কৃষ্ণ রাজা রূপে আছে, রাজবেশে আছে, গোপ বেশে নাই। কৃষ্ণেরও মুরলি নাই, সুদর্শন চক্র, কৃষ্ণেরও গোবর্ধন নাই, যমুনা নাই, রাধারও খুব প্রেম বৈচিত্র্য। Radha experienced that prema vaichitra, that the object of your love is right in front of you after 100 years, but you cannot enjoy him, you cannot embrace him, you cannot dance with him. And in regards to your last question, that Brajendranandan Krishna does not leave Braj, and only how can Radha also leave Braj and go to Kurukshetra? That is explained by Brinda Devi to Sadashiv in the Puranas, that Radha has three forms. It's a very high tattva. One Radha, she, when Krishna leaves Braj at 11 years, she ends her Leela and she goes to Braj, Golok. Second Radha, she is suffering separation. She never thinks that Krishna has come back to Braj. And the third Radha, she goes to Kurukshetra. Radha has expanded in three forms. The first Radha never leaves Braj. The second Radha, the first Radha goes back. Second Radha feels separation. We will discuss that in some other time. I mean, this is Viyogini Radha. Yeah. Samyogini, Viyogini and Vrishabhanu Nandini Radha. Radha has three forms. Mula Radha. Mula Radha is always in Braj. One Radha leaves to the Nitya Braj and one Radha goes to meet Krishna in Kurukshetra. Any other questions? Yes. Why are you sitting so behind today? Huh? Okay. On Kartik month. I'll give in the evening. Sure, it's been becoming difficult for me. It's 2 kathas to complete my rounds and to write Naam cards, to print, to attend phone calls, so many things. So I'll give in the evening. Yeah.
So out of the three things that Krishna wanted to relish, what is the glory of Radha's love?
Yes.
What is the sweetness in him that she alone relishes?
Yes.
And what is the happiness she experiences through her love? So what is the subtle difference between the happiness and the sweetness? They seem so similar.
Yeah. The second purpose is, the second internal purpose is the experience which Radha is having. It means the way Radha understands. It's more related to Chit Tattva, knowledge. The way Radha understands my beauty. whereas the happiness is more Ladini Tattva, Anand Tattva. The third desire is to understand Radha's happiness. The second desire is to understand how Radha understands me, my beauty. So Satchid and Anand, like you divide three reasons also. Radha's glory is eternal. So we can say it's Sat. Chit means knowledge. Krishna wants to have that knowledge. How Radha, yes. Any other question? Thank you very much. Hari. श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत की जय, कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की जय, राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड धाम की, गुरु परंपरा की जय, समावेत भक्त वृंद की